Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title, Troubleshooting Guide, Python GUI not opening, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Creating a graphical user interface, GUI, with Python can be a rewarding experience, but encountering issues where the GUI fails to open can be frustrating. In this tutorial, we will explore common reasons why a Python GUI may not open and provide step-by-step guidance on how to troubleshoot and resolve these issues. We'll use the popular tkinter library as an example, but the principles discussed here can be applied to other GUI libraries as well. Step 1. Check for syntax errors and typos. Before diving into more complex issues, it's essential to ensure that there are no syntax errors or typos in your code. Python is sensitive to indentation, so make sure your code is properly formatted. Additionally, check for missing or mismatched parentheses, quotation marks, and other syntax-related errors. Example. Step 2. Verify library installation. Ensure that the necessary GUI library is installed on your system. For tkinter, it is included with most Python installations by default. If you are using a different library, example PyQt, GUI, make sure it is installed using the appropriate package manager. Example, for tkinter. Step 3. Check for runtime errors. Look for runtime errors that might be preventing the GUI from opening. Running your script from the command line or an integrated development environment, IDE, can provide error messages that help identify the issue. Example. Step 4. Review event handling. If your GUI relies on events, example button clicks, key presses, ensure that event handling is correctly implemented. Check that event functions are properly defined and bound to the appropriate GUI components. Example. Step 5. Debugging with print statements. Strategically place print statements in your code to identify where the execution flow stops. This can help pinpoint the location of the issue. Example. Conclusion. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve issues preventing your Python GUI from opening. Remember to systematically troubleshoot, check for errors, and use debugging techniques to narrow down the root cause. If the problem persists, consider seeking help from online forums or communities where experienced developers may provide insights into specific issues. ChatGPT.